YouTube Collaborator. This is a new awesome feature for every small creators and as well as dominant creators, established creators. So first came to your YouTube channel, YouTube Studio dashboard. So first let's talk about the eligibility. Actually there is no eligibility for this option. Every YouTube creator will get this new collaborator option. YouTube is currently rolling out this feature. Soon everyone will get this option. There is no need to monetize your channel, nothing. If you are a YouTube creator, you can get this feature. And the second thing is you can invite a collaborator for your old YouTube video as well as new YouTube video. And the third thing is you can invite a collaborator up to 5. For a single video, you can invite 5 collaborators to that video. And the main useful thing by using this feature is the creator video will shows up on the collaborator audience also. The subscription page of the collaborator audience. They can see your video and they can also see the video on the recommended section also. Likewise, the collaborator also beneficial by using this option. In that video, on the description page, you can see the collaborator link. So like this. So if your audience want to subscribe to your collaborator, they can subscribe and watch their videos. So it's a mutual benefit for creator and also the collaborator. Let's consider if you have 1000 viewers as a creator, the collaborator also having 1000 viewers, 1000 subscribers. So there is a chance you can get the 1000 plus 1000 audience, viewers to each of you. So this is the best part of this collaborator option. And the one thing you have to remember is if you do paid promotion for this video, if you get any sponsorship for this video, you need to label that as sponsored video. So basically this is how collaborator option will work. And if you want to know how to invite a collaborator to your YouTube video in step by step completely A to Z, watch this video.